May God bless you and keep you all the days of your lives while guarding and guiding you on your journey.
If you're here today, it means for one reason or another, Sierra and Joe are so thankful for having you in their lives. And your love, support, and encouragement, these things mean the world to them.
The story started about 15, 16 years ago. Jen came into our life, which was just a tremendous blessing for our family. And with her came Sierra. She's the daughter that God gave me that I didn't know that I had. Couldn't ask for better. So shortly after that, I met Joe out. If you had a father had to write down the qualities that you would want in a son-in-law, when the picture was finished, it would look like him.
Wow, you look unbelievable, man.
Thank you.
How beautiful.
Thank you.
See, breaking me down already. Thank you.
You're welcome. I love you.
Proud of you, man. So proud. Pretty, man.
Aw,
Look at this.
it looks so pretty.
Sierra and Joe have made many memories together, and they're going to make many, many more. Some of their earliest memories go back to their childhood. They were actually neighbors. From there, rekindling their love in high school. This only continued growing while supporting each other through school, building their careers together, moving to a new city, and up to now, being the proud parents of the most loving, snuggly, personable, and friendly dog out there, Buster, who of course is here with us today. I invite you to secure these locks together and let them serve as a reminder that you are forever joined together in a lifelong partnership, a promise between two people that will forever be one, and that your oneness will complement and complete the two of you. Your marriage will be the ultimate team, like the Tennessee Titans, but even better and cooler, with more wins and hopefully less injuries than the Titans. Unfortunately, the Disney World Castle was fully booked for the future, but the beach has always been the first choice for Joe and Sierra, so thank you for bringing us here on this golden hour to participate in your incredible love story. I'll leave you with these special words from one of the greatest poets, artists, entertainers, and somebody that you share endless appreciation for, American country music singer and songwriter, Garth Brooks. Hold on like there's no tomorrow, there can be no sorrow. Right here where we stand, and living for this moment, all I ever wanted is right here in our hands. Fight for a love and the world tries to break us down, but the world will bend and the fight will end. Our love will always win. now that you understand what you've signed up for, I now ask, Sierra, Joe, do you both come here freely and without reservation to be joined in marriage today?
Yes.
Will you promise to care for each other in both the joys and sorrows of life, and to share the responsibility of growth and enrichments to this life together?
Yes.
I give you this ring
It's a sign that I choose you.
to be my wife,
You're my husband
my teammate.
and my best friend.
You kissed 1,000 times before and will kiss 1,000 times again. But this is different. This is your very first kiss as husband and wife. By the power vested in me, by the great state of Florida, and the Universal Life Church, it is my sincere honor to pronounce you both husband and wife. You may kiss each other.
We love you more than we can tell you. And as they say in Italian, cent'anni, which means we hope you have 100 years together.